How to use ABC Combi oven controls. In this video, we will cover how to use ABC Combi oven controls. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. The ABC Combi controls are unique. Making a temperature selection will automatically select a default humidity setting to improve cooking performance. It's Combi cooking made easy. Now let's review how to use your ABC Combi controls. On-off switch. The on-off switch is used to turn the oven on and off. To power on the oven, set the switch to the on position. To turn the oven off, position the switch to the off position. Temperature display. The temperature display shows the set or actual cavity temperature. Temperature selector knob. The temperature selector knob is used to set or display the actual cavity temperature. Rotate the knob to raise or lower the set temperature. When the knob is rotated just one indent, the actual temperature in the oven cavity will be displayed and blink for 3 seconds. Timer display. The timer display shows the time remaining when set. Timer selector knob. The timer selector knob is used to set a timer. Rotate the knob to the right to increase and left to decrease the timer. A buzzer and flashing light indicates when the timer is complete, and the display will also blink 0 remaining time. Humidity display. The humidity display shows the set or actual cavity humidity. When checking actual humidity, the display may show a hyphen while the sensor is initializing within the first few minutes of powering on a unit. Humidity selector knob. The humidity selector knob is used to change set humidity or display the actual humidity. Rotate the knob to raise or lower the humidity. When the knob is rotated one indent, the actual humidity in the oven cavity will be displayed and blink for 3 seconds. If manual humidity adjustment is required, rotate the knob to adjust the setting. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan Combi oven. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.